Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillah wassalatu wassalam ala Rasulillah. My dear student, greeting to you all. Today, inshallah, we will start our final enrichment activities for this year. My name is teacher Inas Al-Hadathi. So these enrichment activities aim to add more information and more knowledge to the one we already have. This is for the second year. So by the end of this class or this lesson, inshallah, we will practice spelling, how to spell letters, how to spell words. I will give you some examples. For example, I will give you a word that misses one or two letters, or I will give you a word and I will miss with the letters and I will ask you to rearrange these letters. We will practice writing. And you know what does this mean? I need you to have your worksheets, pencils to write down. Also, we will identify nouns. We introduce nouns, but today we will talk more about nouns. Okay, so let's start. Bismillah. As I mentioned, we will read, so try to listen to me very carefully. Also, we will write, so have your pencils, worksheets ready. We will start with the spelling. What do we mean by spelling? Like, for example, look at this boy. He is holding like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 letters, right? 5 letters that makes one word. The word is words, right? But each letter is on its own. So I have W-O-R-D-S. The word is words, but if we spell it, W-O-R-D-S. This is how we spell this word, okay? So I have words. Let's spell them out. Before we do that, let's revise all the letters we have in English. As you can see, I have two kinds of letters. I have vowels and I have consonants. Vowels are in red, so let's read them out. Vowels, the letters in the alphabet. As you can see, I have all the letters in capital and small. I have A, E, I, O, and U. These are the English language vowels, letters. Let's read them one more time. A, E, I, O, and U. Okay? Vowels are very important. Sometimes we have long vowels, sometimes we have short vowel. We will talk about this in our next lesson. Also, we have consonants, letters in the alphabet. Okay? Any other letter rather than these 5 are considered consonants. They are in blue: B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, and Z. So, as you can see, I have all the alphabet except of the 5 vowels, the red vowels that we have on the top, which are A, E, I, O, and U. So these are the English alphabets, okay? But here we divide them into vowels and consonants. Vowels and consonants. Now, as you can see here, spell it out. I have a picture to help you out. And I have 4 letters, right? I have R, U, O, and F. Okay, so it doesn't make any sense. I cannot see a word here, right? So I need you to look at the picture and try to remember, what is this, my dear student? And spell the correct letters for me. So I have F, I have R, I have O, and U. So what do you think is the word here? Very good. The word is 4. The word is 4. Let's spell the word out. F, O, U, R. So here we spell the words. The word is 4. I have the words messed up. Okay, so you rearrange the letters to come up with the correct word, which is 4. Very good. Let's do it again with this picture. Spell it out. As you can see, I have a picture and I have different letters. Actually, I have 5 letters. I have K, O, S, O, and B. So what do you think, my dear student? Let's rearrange these letters to come up with a word. A word that describes the picture. What do you think? What do you think? Here I have 2 vowels and 3 consonants. O, O, B, K, and S. The word is books. Very good. The word is books. Spell it for me. B, O, O, K, S. Books. Very good. Let's do it one more time. Spell it out. Same thing. I have a picture and I have some letters. Rearrange the letters to come up with a word, the correct word that describes the picture. So I have L, I, R, and G. I have 3 consonants and 1 vowel. So what do you think? What is the word that describes this picture? The word is girl. Very good. The word is girl. Spell it for me, please. G, I, R, L. Girl. Very good, my dear student. Now, let's do it now differently. As you can see here, I have some missing letters. Have the pictures, and on the top I have 3 letters. A, B, and C. So all we need is are these 3 letters to complete the missing spaces below. Try to fill in the missing spaces and then spell the word for me. So let's start with the first one. What do you think? Is it A, B, or C? What do you think? Actually, it is C. The word is car. Car. Excellent. You fill the missing space. The next one is cab. Cab. C-A-P. C-A-P. Very good. Next picture I have, what do you think? Is it A, B, or C? It's A, ant. Very good. Ant. Excellent, excellent. Let's go to the next row. I have a picture of, what do you think? What do I fill it with? A, B, or C? Actually, it's C again. Cup. Cup. C-U-P. Cup. Very good. Next one, you already know this one. The word is bag. Excellent. Bag. B-A-G. Bag. Very good. Next item, what do we have? I have ball. Very good. Ball. B-A-double-L. Ball. Excellent. Excellent. Next one, what do you think? I have arrow. Very good. Arrow. A-double-R-O-W. Arrow. Next one, this is an easy one. What's the missing letter here? It's book. Very good. B-double-O-K. Next one I have cat. C-A-T. Cat. Excellent, my dear student. Now, how about now? I will read the word for you, okay? And you will help me out to circle the letter that you can hear, okay? Starting from the picture to your left, it's a cow. Cow. So below I have G, C, and R. What do you think is the letter? The letter is C. Very good. Cow. Excellent. Let's move to the next one. Fish. Th. Fish. So what do you think? I had T, S, and F. The letter is definitely F. Very good. Very good. How about the last picture? Kite. Kite. Below I have M, K, D. What do you think? It is K. Very good. The letter is letter K, which is consonant letter. Very good. Let's do the same here. Camel. Camel. I have M, C, P. Camel. It is C. Very good. Very good. Next one I have is boat. Boat. I have B, C, and M. It is definitely, it is, let's go to the next picture. I have a submarine. F, S, and W. F, S, and W, it is S. Very good, submarine. Next one I have is a bike. A bike, not a pike, bike. I have L, P, and B. The answer is B. Very good, bike. Next one, this is the one that we just did. I have a boat. A boat, it is a letter B. Very good. Next one I have is a balloon. B. Very good. And the last one I have a motorcycle. Motorcycle, I have M, Z, and D. The letter is M. Very good, my dear student. Excellent. Now, here, as you can see, I have, as I mentioned before, vowels are very important. Sometimes we have short vowels, short sounds. Sometimes we have long sounds. Okay? As you can see here, I have all the letters. They look like the words are the same. Cap, but here I have cape. Man, main. Fat, fate. Hop, hope. Now, let me read these words for you. Look at and focus and try to listen to the sounds very well. The first one to your left is cap. So this is a short vowel, cap, cap, okay? But moving to the next one, I have cabe, a. This is a long vowel, a long sound, okay? Let's do the same with the next one. I have man, man. It's a short vowel. Main, main. It's long. Fat, fat. Short sound. Fate, fate. It is a long vowel and a long sound. Let's go to the O. Hop, hop. Short, right? Hope, hope. It is a long vowel, a long O. Very good. And a long sound. And it is actually the same for the same thing. For example, here I have dim, short, dime, long, kit, short, kite, long. Okay, let's go to the U. For example, cup, cube, cut, cute. As you can see, have a short and have a long sound. Vowels are very important, okay? When I add E at the end of the word, it is a long sound. Let's go to the next slide. Now, we will practice writing. Have your worksheets, your notebook ready, and some pencils or pens, and let's start. What I need you to do now is try to, because we already spelled some of the words, we will try to spell them first. Like write each letter at a time and then write the whole word together. For example, I will write cat for you, but I will separate C, and then I have A, and then I have T. Okay? And then I will join them to write the word cat. Very good. Next one, I have dog. Again, same. D, O, G. Okay? Try to write between the lines. Dog. Very good. Let's try hat. H, A, T. Hat. Very good, my dear student. Okay, let's practice more writing now. Here I try to give you not only words but sentences, but we will do it one step at a time. For example, we will finish the first sentence. The fish is, let's trace the last letter. The fish is blue. I need you to write down the whole sentence now, okay? The fish is blue. Very good. So we trace the last letter. Now, the last word, sorry. Now we will trace the whole sentence, okay? The bear is brown. Very good, my dear student. The bear is brown. Make sure you are writing between the lines. The bear is brown. Now for the last one, I need you to copy the first sentence or the second sentence and write it on your own. I will write the fish is blue. The fish is blue. Very good. Make sure you are writing between the specific lines. Okay? Practice more. If you need time, just copy it now once and then copy it 3 or 4, maybe up to 10 times. Doesn't matter. That will improve your handwriting. Okay? Let's go to the next slide. Also, I have these examples. We don't need to do all of them. Let's do some of them. My idea here is to, like for example, read the word, then trace it, and then write it on your own. So we will do 3 in 1. Let's start by reading the word. For example, left, next, lest, song, stop, while, close, life, those, and sides. Okay? So we read the words. Let's go now and trace these words. Okay? Trace is like just following the dots. Left. Very good. Next. Very good. Next one I have lest. Song. Stop. And you can do the same for the remaining words. Now I need you to write the words. No tracing now. You are doing it on your own. Let's do it for the remaining words. While, close, life, those, and side. Very good, my dear student. So now we did 3 in 1 activity. We read the words, we traced them, and then we wrote them down on our own. Okay? So let's go to the next slide. Now, I have something that is called nouns. We already talked about nouns and we talked about pronouns, right? But now I will try to identify more or talk more about nouns. What do we mean by the word nouns? Now, I need you to look at these pictures and try to name some of these items for me. We already took all of them actually in unit number 2. So I can see an apple, right? A book, a door, and a bag, right? So I have 4 items. They are nouns. All of them are nouns. Apple, a door, bag, book. But to be specific, they are things. They are things. Okay? So if I ask about things, I will use the question word what. What is this? It is a door. What is that? It is a bag. What is this? It is a green book. Okay? So here I have nouns and they are things. Again, apple, door, bag, book, we might say pencil, pen, a house, a car, and so on. Okay, how about these pictures? Can you name some? 1, 2, what do you think? They are all nouns, but they are nouns of people. They are people. I can see a nurse, a waiter, a farmer, and an engineer, right? So they are different from things. I will not ask what. I will use the question word who. Who is that? Who is she? Who are they? And so on. He is an engineer, she is a nurse. Very good. Also here I have nouns. Try to name them for me. I have a fish and a cat. Very good. I have a fish and a cat. They are what? Are they things? Or are they people? Actually, no. They are animals. They are animals. Very good. They are animals. We might say a dog, a horse, a camel, and so on. So they are animals. If you want to ask, you will use the question word what. What is this? It is a fish. Now, how about these pictures? Again, still we are talking about nouns. Here I have a school, a hospital, a factory, perhaps an airport, a supermarket, a mosque. These are called places. Very good. They are places. If you want to ask about the places, we normally use the word where. Where is your father? He is in his company. Where is the pilot? He is at the airport. Where is the students? They are at school, and so on. Very good. So far we have nouns, animals, people, places, and things, right? So now I need your help. Try to identify these nouns or these things for me. Choose. The first picture, I have a picture of a sheep. Okay? A thing or an animal? What do you think? Thing or an animal? For a sheep, it is an animal. Very good. Animal. Very good. How about the second picture? I have a garden. I have a garden. What do you think? Place or thing? Place or thing? What do you think? It's a place. Very good. It is a place. Same as school, airport. Very good. Now, how about the first one to your left top corner? I have a computer or a screen. What do you think? Thing or a person? A thing or a person? What do you think? It is a thing. Very good. Like a book. Very good. Excellent. Next one I have a picture of a girl. Place, person. Now, what we are doing now is classify the nouns, okay? So, I have a person. Very good, person. Next one, I have a big giant bear. I have a bear. What do you think? Animal or thing? Animal or thing? It is an animal. Excellent, an animal. And for the last picture, I have a cup or a mug. Okay? Person or thing? What do you think? It is a thing. Very good, a thing. Now, let's do the same here. I have this old man. Person, animal. What do you think? It is, he is a person. Very good, he is a person. Very good. Next picture, I have place, person. Place, person. I have a place. Very good, I have a place. Very good, my dear student. Now, I will give you time. Try to do this on your own. I have school, a doctor, and a cake. And I have 3 options for each. Person, place, or thing. Try to choose. I will give you less than 1 minute. I will give you, let's say, 15 seconds. I know you can do it. So go and pick school. What do you think? Person, place, thing. A doctor, person, place, thing. What do you think? For school, it is a place. Very good. School is a place. Excellent, excellent. Doctor, what do you think? A person. Very good. A person. Excellent, excellent. And for the cake, a cake is a thing. Excellent, my dear student. Excellent. Let's do the same here. I have a girl, I have a kangaroo, and I have a zoo. A girl, person, place, thing. Kangaroo, person, place, thing. Zoo, person, place, or thing. What do you think? Start with the girl. Person, excellent. Person, same as doctor, teacher, boy. Kangaroo, what do you think? It is a... Very good. And for the last one, I have a zoo, which is... It is a place. Very good, my dear student. It is a place. Now, I have all these things. I will try to do some of them, and I will leave the rest for you. As you can see here, I have up to 12 pictures, okay? And these 12 pictures represent nouns, but different categories. Different, like I have person, things, places, and animals, okay? Starting from the first one, I have baker, globe, city, lecture, cow. Let's start with the first one, for example. For the person, of course the baker is a person. So I will write baker here. Try to find another person for me. Try to find another person for me. I have a judge and I have a lecturer. Very good. Let's write judge here. Very good. How about things? How about things? Very good. We might say clock. And what do you think? Maybe globe. Also, we have the baseball. How about the places? Places. Excellent. City. We might also use the airport. And animals, actually, I have cow, armadillo, and that deer. Okay, girls? So, we try to classify the nouns. So that was our lesson. We talked about spelling, how to spell words, how to write down the words, fill the missing spaces, or rearrange the letters to come up with a word. Also, we talk about vowels and consonants. We have nouns, places, people. Also, we practice writing, and you did an amazing job. So that was my lesson, my dear student. Until I see you next time, stay safe. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.